Hey, how are you doing? My name's James. I'm the owner and operator here at Triple Sticks. And I want to show you guys this 300 square foot patio that I built. I did this as a subcontractor for another friend of mine, and turned out really nice. It was a little bit more work than I anticipated, but I want to talk to you about how we can make it faster next time. So here's the work, and I'll see you in the end. All right, check it out. We got a little patio to do, 16 by 20, a little walkway right here. In Keystone, Earth Blend, squares and rects in the K pattern with a double bond on the outside. So, got everything ready. Let's rock and roll. If you notice, I was using a paver mover or a brick mover handler thing, and that's not the best way to move pavers. Now, no one ever taught me how to lay pavers. I just went to the internet and found ways to lay pavers, and I've done a lot of patios over the years, and a project like this used to take me like 2 weeks, and I did this in about 4.5, 5 days. I did have the sidewalk washout. A big rain came and I had it mostly laid, but it wasn't all cut, and then the rain came and washed it away. So we had to pull that out and redo it, and I probably should have just changed the pattern and made it its own entity. And I probably would have done it on my own, but since I was doing it as a subcontractor, I was trying to keep everything, the same and whatever, and I should have just called him and asked him. But anyway, I learned a lot during this process. So one of the things I could have done differently to speed up our time and process is by carrying stacks of pavers instead of, so I don't know why, but no one ever showed me how to do this or explain it. But I used to gather the top row together, stack them up and carrying them, stack them fives, and that wasn't really that fast. And then I used to do the paver mover, which will move 3 to 4, depending on what kind of brick you're using. And that seemed faster than gathering them all together and putting them in a little pile. But my friend showed me, he's like, dude, I could lay this patio and set the base and everything in like a day and a half and been done with all my cuts and everything. So basically this one thing that would have saved me probably 4 to 5 hours is he picked the stack up of pavers from the bottom by the pallet, probably as many as you could carry, about half the pallet if it was full, half the pallet. So 7 or 8 of them at a time. That's a lot, bro. That's a lot. And that's a lot faster because if you use a paver mover, you have lines of 4, and if you stack them 5 high, you know, to move them out of your way or move them to use them, they're all kind of bunched together and you gotta like wiggle them out of place. Anyway, I could have saved so much time by this one simple thing. And then just kind of showed me how to cut some stuff and showed me, you know, really talked to me about how we could make this faster next time instead of as slow as it was. So the next patio I do will be much, much faster and will look a little bit cleaner and nicer for the time. So, all right. Lots of things learned here. Lots of good things learned here. And as a business, as someone owning a business, you always need to be improving and finding a way to be better anyway. And this is one of them that no one really sat down and explained to me how to save time. And there it was. Simple thing is the way you move pavers.